Alright, man, I wanted a truck tent, but they're $300, so I have constructed my own Ghetto truck tent. I think I spent about $10 on it. Standard 8x10 blue tarp, handful of bungees. I got it staked off here. Inside, if I get it open here, inside I used some tent poles that I had, put them in the little stake pockets across them, and there's my sleeping system. And depending on the weather, I can tie this down, stake it off more. If it's really, really bad, I can just close the tailgate, and there I is. Ghetto all the way.